this is the report after 2 hours. I'm about to show you the thing. Okay, so there is a bunch of snow on the roads. It is like 29 degrees and it's still snowing. And there's literally icicles on the ground, guys. And if you can't see, look at all that. That snow is every wow. Look at that. I can see my breath in the thing. So I'm gonna show you. This is my front yard. I'm gonna go see where my backyard is. Okay. Let's see what the backyard looks like. Wow. Oh my. Look at that. This is literally what it looks like. And I don't think there's gonna be no school tomorrow. Look at all that. I'm literally sitting in this. Like look at this, bro. Like, literally, look. Literally. Like, I'm literally so curious about how all the snow came out 2 hours. I've been watching it just so I can get a good vlog about the snow. So, bye.